Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. We got a big boy Fridge 72 rolling out shop today. Going to my man Marlon down in the great state of Texas. This is on a single axle trailer, hand built by our American craftsman guys in the shop. So 6,000 pound brake axle, really heavy duty trailer. It's a big ass smoker, guys. Fridge 72, got the cabinet doors. All of our fridge smokers come standard with 3 grates in there. Ooh, I could about fit in there if I wasn't 7'5", but most of y'all could probably fit in there no problem. 72-inch wide, big boy. This is a reverse flow cooker, guys. We got 3 removable reverse flow plates in there. That way you can pick them up out of there. Makes it easy to clean up underneath your pit. TMG Tell True thermometers in the doors, of course. He did add a stainless steel front shelf up front here. Come around with the hot box. Now, guys, on the Fridge 60 and 72, you get bumped up to an extra large firebox and hot box. In this hot box, you got well over 2,000 square inches of cook space, so really big hot box here. Still runs independent from the smoke chamber, so you may be cooking at 2 different temperatures at once. Really nice option to have here. Now on the firebox, he did upgrade to our insulated firebox. He's got the fire management cradle in there as well. Shut that down. Check out the back side of the trailer. A lot of extra storage room back here. And we finish them off with a spare tire up front as well. So guys, y'all know the deal. You need a custom pit built, you know to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.